So today this is homework science 22, and essentially for this one we're taking any input that is being put into our program. It will therefore go through a sequence and spit it out no matter what. So it's also like allowing if a user put in space or if a user put in essentially anything. It's making code a lot simpler and getting to the point where other people can be using it to some degree. So first of all, we have our multiply private class. This is my extends class. That's why it's called private. And then so essentially, this is an extension of our multiply class, and that's because it allows us to call our private class, but it's still related to the multiply class. So they go hand in hand. So going on to homework 22, essentially this is our mat a variable that's going to be used to multiply the message and then multiply the message and then get the inverse of it, therefore rounding it, and then followed by essentially printing out our original message because we want it to be the inverse. We want it to be a little bit confusing so the people can't use our code, or it can't be directly, can be extremely simple. So message 1, multiply a private class. This is calling our private class. Object 1, declaring a variable. And message to Matt, this is using the multiply private class, which is what we created here. And what's next? So then I put I love computer science right here, multiplying Matt D, because this is set to Matt D, by Matt A. Object 1.get Matt, calling Matt D, multiplying the inverse of inverse Matt A. That's converting the image to back to numbers, rounding it. After rounding it, we're going to be putting it back into characters. That's the set mess. I'll show you that. Set mess. This is putting our double back from numbers into characters. From here, it's just going to be printing it. And if you can see, I'm running it. Where is it? So we have I love computer science. Hello, Luca. Welcome to computer science. My favorite food is Mexican. Josh is a very interesting human, and I'm excited for the semester to be over. And essentially, this is just repeating our code. And that's about it. Thank you for your time.